Hello everyone, the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, JLTV, is a joint program currently in development for the U.S. Army and Marine Corps. The JLTV will replace the High Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicle aka the Humvee, which is the current light tactical vehicle used by the U.S. military. You are watching the channel Military Update. The JLTV concept is based on a family of vehicles focused on scalable armor protection and vehicle agility and mobility required of the light tactical vehicle fleet. The JLTV will provide defensive measures to protect troops while in transport, increase payload capability, and achieve commonality of parts and components to reduce the overall life cycle cost of the vehicle. The JLTV project seeks to optimize performance, payload, and protection of the vehicle and crew while ensuring a design that is transportable by CH-47 Chinook, CH-53 York, and C-130 Hercules and larger military transport aircraft. There are two main JLTV variants based upon a common 21,000 pounds gross weight platform, a two-seat combat support vehicle, CSV, and a four-seat combat tactical vehicle, CTV, as well as a companion trailer. The CSV variant has one base platform, the utility, with a payload capacity of 5,100 pounds. The four-seat CTV variant has two base vehicle platforms, the general purpose and the close combat weapons carrier, with a payload capacity of 3,500 pounds. Base vehicle platforms may be further equipped with multiple mission package configurations, such as the CSV shelter carrier and the CTV heavy guns carrier. Vehicles will be powered by a 300 horsepower diesel engine. On August 25, 2015, in its largest contract award in years, the U.S. Army selected Oshkosh Corporation to build the JLTV. Oshkosh will receive a $6.7 billion contract for the low-rate initial production phase. Oshkosh was selected over High Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicle maker and General and Lockheed Martin. The Army plans to purchase 49,099 JLTV production vehicles from fiscal year 2015 through fiscal year 2035. The Marine Corps plans to purchase 5,500 JLTV production vehicles from fiscal year 2015 through fiscal year 2022. The JLTV entered the low-rate initial production phase in fiscal year 2015 and is expected to be approved for full-rate production in fiscal year 2019 with initial operational capability scheduled for December 2019. Armament or weapons. Some JLTVs will be equipped with weapons such as machine guns and the BGM-71 TOW-2 missile system. Mission or role. As a light tactical vehicle, the JLTV will be capable of performing multiple mission roles, and will be designed to provide protected, sustained, networked mobility for personnel and payloads across the full range of military operations.